Good day, Goa. Good day, Mr. Pramod Sawant, my Chief Minister. With all my good respect for you, you are doing a wonderful job. But I am deeply disturbed. Please get your all cabinet working together with you. Please bring all the opposition parties together. Get united, save my citizen. Today, we are playing games of blaming each other. Your health minister will blame on some other person, and your other cabinet minister will blame another people. In this blame game, my Goan citizens are dying, and I cannot see this. We elected you all 40 MLAs to look after the welfare of Goa, to make sure we have a modern Goa, to make sure we have modern tourism, to make sure we have Goa a modern infrastructure, to make sure we have a modern medical infrastructure. What is happening, Mr. Pramod? What is happening, my CM? The state is into turmoil, into mess. There is no oxygen, there is no beds, there is no vaccine. People are dying. What are you doing? Please, I appeal to you. I am proud of you, that how you handle. But at the same time, why this mess? Why there was no planning? Why you did not have a road map? Come on. Your health minister is talking one. You are talking one. And other cabinet ministers are talking something. Congress is accusing. Okay, this is not the time to accuse each other. When my citizens are dying, get united. Go on the field. Put all your 40 MLAs on the field in different constituency. Let them work with the people. Let them put the PPE kit. Let them have the extra precaution with 3M mask and N95. Let them be there in their village, in their town, in their constituency, among people. Not them be in their bungalows, in their apartments, in the sitting cozy. No need. Get them out, move them on the field. They have to work. They are the social workers. They have chosen this road to be social worker, to be in social field, to serve the people. They are the servant of our nation and our citizen. My CM, please, you are a very intellectual person. Make a road map. Time is running. It's going to rain in Goa. It will rain heavily. Once it rains, everything will be disturbed. What you are doing now, 100%, it will be only done 30%. Because rain, light will go. Roads will get flooded. People will have no proper communication. You know, when the rain happens, with the storm, the lights will go, the roads will be flooded, and people will be in deep problem. With your lockdown is now happening. See, during the rainy season, before it rains, people buy their provision for the food. Get an online service done. We have Wi-Fi, we have internet technology. Let you use this machinery from collector, director, Mamledar, police, put them on the field. Panchayat, municipality, make a war zone room, even to deliver grocery for them, even to deliver food for them. Make free for our citizen. Make good benefits for our citizen. Give them free vaccine. Give them free medicine. Give them free food. Make electricity free. Give every family some benefits. During this COVID-19, people have lost jobs. Taxi people are on the road. there is no job, there is no tourism. So I request humbly, and I request my appeal with you, please have a road map. Not every day come on the media and talk here and there. Have a road map. Design a road map. Make the plan what you want to do. Get all the opposition on your table sitting there. Hear them out. Listen to them. Ask them what they need, how you would like to do. Implement what they are saying. If it is helpful, if it is going to save the life of my Goan citizen, listen to them, please. Don't be adamant. Don't be egoistic. Don't be into all this. Time is not here to play now politics. Time is not here to be into power. We don't know what will happen. Elections will come and elections will go. During this election, we fight, we spend money, we give chocolates, we give cakes. No. Now, Mr. CM, arrange a good package for every citizen of Goa. Give them benefit, make free medical, make free vaccine, give them grocery free, give them electricity free. Look after the youth who are jobless, help them. Look after the small scale industry which are closed, run by Goan. Look after the rickshaw fellow. Look after the motorcycle fellow. Look after the taxi fellow who are affected. They are poor. They are common people. They are not rich like me and you and most of the citizens of Goa. Some are very rich, some are very poor. Come to the level to look for the common people. Goa is not a poor state. Goa is not that we need many things. Yes, you need money from the center. The center is giving you. Make sure that the money is being utilized in a proper manner. Make sure every minister, when he gets a fund, he puts that fund in a right way, with the right tender, with the right SOP. No corruption should happen. It's shocking. It's shocking news. On ventilators, on oxygen, people are making money. No, this is not the time to make money on this type of things. These are life-saving equipment, machinery. Scams happening under your nose. What are you looking? Suspend them. Terminate them. Take them out from your ministry. Get somebody else. Show that you are in power. Show that you are a captain. Show that you have, as a chief minister, a power, a command. So, please, my CM, and please, my opposition leaders, please, my Congress, my NCP, MGP, my all, Aam Aadmi, all the parties come together, find out a solution, help my Goa, save my Goa citizen, please. Okay, thank you, CM, thank you very much. Bye-bye.